Tablet probably has become a staple choice for people with high mobility. You just need to assemble the device with wireless mini keyboard and mouse and you are ready to go. Tablet nowadays is also packed with the latest and advanced features. On today's video, we have listed 5 recommended tablets in 2020. Huawei MatePad Pro. Wrapped in a combination of glass and aluminum material, the body of Huawei MatePad Pro looks more luxurious and sturdy. This tablet has a large 10.8 inches LCD IPS screen with 2560 x 1600 pixels resolutions that can display super clear picture quality. This tablet from Huawei is also equipped with HiSilicon Kirin 990 chipset with Octa-core CPU performance and 8/, storage media 258GB. It also packed with a 13-megapixel PDAF single rear camera and an 8-megapixel front single camera and a 7250 mAh battery. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 uses a 10.5 inches Super AMOLED screen with FHD resolutions of 1600 x 2560 pixels and a screen density that reached 287 ppi. This tablet from Samsung also comes with a Snapdragon 855 chipset with octa-core CPU performance and storage media of 6/128GB. It also has dual 13AF+5 ultra-wide rear cameras and a single 8-megapixel front camera powered by a 7040 mAh battery. Apple iPad Air. This iPad is not only equipped with a great battery with a huge capacity, but also a thin design. This iPad uses a 10.5 inches IPS LCD screen with the FHD resolutions of 1668 x 2224 pixels. It also comes with the Apple A12 Bionic chipset with hexa-core CPU performance and 3/64GB storage media. This tablet is also complete with a single 8-megapixel AF rear camera and a 7-megapixel front camera and is powered by an 8134 mAh battery. Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. Comes with 4 speakers. Cons make the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e will give you a clear sound quality. This tablet also comes with a 10.5 inches Super AMOLED screen with FHD resolutions of 1600 and 2560 pixels. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e also packed with Snapdragon 670 chipset with octa-core CPU performance and 4/64GB storage media. In addition, this tablet is equipped with a single 13-megapixel rear camera and 8-megapixel front camera and is powered by a 7040 mAh battery. Huawei MatePad M6 Turbo. This Huawei MatePad M6 Turbo is dubbed as one of the best gaming tablets in 2020. This tablet uses an 8.4 inches IPS type LCD screen with a FHD resolutions of 2560 x 1600 pixels. This Huawei MatePad M6 Turbo also carries the HiSilicon Kirin 980 chipset with octa-core CPU performance and media application storage is 6/1 to 8 GB. This tablet also has a 13 megapixel PDAF rear camera, an 8 megapixel front camera, and a 6100 mAh battery.